Hallo, ich bin deine deutsche Lehrerin und today we are going to discuss about Fit in Deutsch exam A1 level. I'm going to tell you about the books to be used and what is the exam pattern. This is the book that I used for my preparation and it's really good. So it covers all the topics that are going to be tested in the exam and I feel the first chapter is really important. Since students from class 6 onwards are eligible for giving this exam, it contains like basic topics and these are the topics that are tested. You are going to be tested on four bases: hören, lesen, schreiben und sprechen. For hören, an audio will be played twice. You have to listen to it, and then you'd be given some questions in black and white and you have to answer it. It's basically MCQ kind of questions, no writing over there. For lesen, we'd be given a booklet which would have around 2 to 3 passages, and we have to read the passage thoroughly and answer the questions. Questions can be either MCQ or subjective answers can also be there. Then for schreiben, we'd be given an email and we have to write a reply to the email on the basis of certain points which will be mentioned. And topics for email I feel are generally easy. It includes topics like family or room, which is simmer. Email writing is casual. It's just like we write a reply email in Hallo Deutschbook. Then we haben Sprechen. Sprechen is speaking. So a group of 4 to 5 children will be taken inside a room where there'd be two people sitting on the other side of the table and we'd be sitting on the opposite side. There will be cards on the table. So many cards for 3 to 4 rounds are there, and there'd be many cards on the table, and they'll tell us whether it is a question round or an answer round. So what do we have to do is we have to pick up a card, and if there's a certain topic like house written on it, I will be asking a question from house to the person sitting next to me, and that person will reply back to me the answer, and then he'd be picking up a card and asking a question, suppose simmer. So he'd be asking a question from simmer to the next person. So this is like how it's done, expression. Then this is the distribution of marks. There's hören for 18 marks, lesen for 12, schreiben for 12, and sprachen for 18 marks, and total marks is 60. And again, I feel that Huron round is the most difficult because with audio will be played and the characters are speaking in typical German accent. So they are speaking normal words, normal sentences, but the accent is difficult. So that's it for today. Thanks a lot, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.